My friends, that is in 1933 how Franklin Delano Roosevelt addressed the American people as the United States was coming out of the Great Depression, right before we went into eventually World War II. Roosevelt gave during that time something known as the fireside chats, which became kind of famous. And it's interesting because he wasn't actually sitting next to a fireside. A CBS reporter felt that would put people during these awful times kind of at ease, and so he was actually sitting behind his desk for these chats in front of a bunch of microphones. But he used the chats to address the American people and talk about issues that are affecting them from day to day in a time that America at that time had not really seen, in between the Great Depression and eventually a world war. And so I have decided to start a similar conversation, and I wanted to kind of make it a little bit fun, but also wanted to be genuine conversation where we can continue our current global issues discussions. You are the reason why I want to continue to do this over the summer. The discussions that we've had on Canvas, I know aren't the same as the ones that we've had in the classroom, but I've been so impressed hearing from all of you and getting to see your viewpoints, and I think it's so healthy for people your age to be involved with the process and to understand what's going on in the world around you so that you can become valuable, informed members of society who will change the world for the better. And as you can see around right now, we need those type of people more than ever before. And so I am going to start a summer school course that I'm hoping that I can get a ridiculous amount of people to sign up for. It's totally free. And I'll put details in the emails that I send out of how to do that. But I was thinking that we could have 1 to 2 discussions per week that are topical global issues, not all about the coronavirus, similar to what we've been doing in social studies, and continue those discussions throughout the summer. You would be able to partake in the ones that you want to. You don't have to partake in all of them, but I am calling them water heater side chats. As you can see here, unlike Roosevelt, I am actually sitting next to a water heater, and what it'll look like is I will present some sort of a tipping point issue that is relevant to what's going on in the world right now or at that time, and then start a little bit of a discussion on Canvas that we can partake in. There's a chance that we can even use a little bit of some social media and video kind of elements to it to kind of make our discussions a little bit more lively and interesting. So all I'm doing right now is just telling you about it, but I hope that when I think about percentages, I hope that over 80% of you go vote when you're adults. I hope that 100% of you vote when you're adults. And so I'm hoping that we can get 80 to 90 to 100% of you that sign up for this course. Why not absolutely blow this up and have over 200 Savannah Oaks students sign up for something like this? Because this summer I think is a great summer for you all to be involved in something that's bigger than you are, and to have these discussions talking with people who might have different viewpoints as you. And I will make sure that the discussions will stay on track and also make sure that it's a safe place for all of your viewpoints, as long as they're not offensive, to be relevant at our table. And so that is the information that I wanted to put out to you, and I hope you have a great day. I hope you have a great summer. This isn't something that I want to add to your workload. It's essentially continuing what we are already doing, because I was so impressed with the discussion that you guys were able to have over the last weeks while we've been in this global pandemic. And so have a great summer. I look forward to all of you signing up for this course, and I look forward to interacting with you on a weekly basis, continuing throughout this summer. Have a great day.